Alright guys, today we're doing a review of these Lenny's and Larry's complete cookies. So a plant-based protein Snickerdoodle flavor. 16 grams of protein. These are on sale, so I decided to pick one up and do a quick taste test. So there it is. 16 grams protein. Check this out. And it has a vegan symbol on it. Alright, here comes the back here. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. There's an ingredient panel. Here's the ingredients. Alright, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so there it is, guys. You get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and you get 10 grams of fiber per cookie. So it's actually quite big. That's what they look like. They're actually pretty big cookies too. So let's open this up. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's do a quick taste test. There it is. Get you a better view. Okay. You can totally smell the cinnamon on it. It's actually really good. It's not overly dry like some vegan cookies generally can be. So yeah, actually, it's actually quite moist. It reminds me of those old big cookies I used to get in the vending machines. Soft, tender, full of flavor. Yeah, you wouldn't know these were actually like full of protein and stuff like that, but they could. I could see them being dry. So let's just say you ate half the cookie and left it out. I can totally see it being dry after that. So, but definitely check it out. It's not dry when you first open the bag. So check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.